Hello beauties, welcome again to Window Styles. There are so many versions of tapered hairstyles for short natural hair. And one thing with these styles is that this cute iteration always offers a less dramatic take, like on the length difference most times between the top and the bottom. So this hairstyle today are beautiful haircuts that are sexy, and the key for a man like this all is hydration. Like cut it, dye it, and always keep your hair moisturized. So with only half a head of coils to manage, short natural haircut with undercut sides and backs, they always promise that kind of reduced styling time and product use. So not to mention their forgiveness, like to the face, this haircut always look edgy, and you can toy with various designs and shapes to create a unique style, which will still have tons of dimension and texture around your crown. So one thing about the style is that I would just like you guys to just go for this beautiful cut, because it will take some time to get this look, and sometimes the colors on the screen, because this definitely a way of wearing your hair like a crown. And with a hairstyle like this, you can go for it, because we always come out looking so beautiful. And one thing with this style is that if you're tired of your regular hairstyle, you can just give this mix a try, because it will always make it come out stunning. And when your coils are well defined, you will always come out looking your best. So this style always boasts that plenty of bounce, like at your crown. And this kind of style, you can see how, most especially when it's super short, like the super short size and back, it will always make you feel fresh and on trend. So never maybe you're this type that you're scared of going to the barber, or maybe you just think it's the right moment to do that. The combinations of this haircut and some of the designs that will be displayed here, and the coils, they are outstanding. So it's a bold solution, but you can just try, taking your fears away. If you can do it yourself, then just have a visit to the barber. You can just take a screenshot of this haircut, or even show them the video on how it's styled, and they will follow the procedure and give you the stunning haircut you want. So these styles, have at the back of your mind that moisturizing is key, and try twist out coils with this kind of maybe the side part for a neat and chic hairstyles that's suitable for work and play. So don't just be jealous of these ladies on the screen. All you have to do is just to book an appointment at your salon, show them this picture, and trust me here, you will love the results. So let me just let you guys to play some of the styles we have for you guys. Watch the rest of the video. Let me know your minds in the comment section below. I appreciate every one of you, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay up to Window Styles. See you guys in my next video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not feel. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do, it doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man